Hello everybody. Florida investor, got another video for you guys today, and in this case we're talking about Symbotic, ticker symbol SYM. Now Symbotic, it is positioned in a good place to where major corporations have partnerships with them, and their business model is basically robotics. So in other words, give you an example, they have a big contract with Walmart. As a matter of fact, Walmart is their biggest partner. So they generate a lot of revenue from a contract that they have with Walmart. And in the case of Walmart, what they basically do is robotics. So basically they, I don't know if you guys are aware, but for years now, Walmart has actually, they have actually one of the biggest warehouses in Florida, in the Brooksville location. So Brooksville, Florida, Walmart has one of the biggest warehouses. Now in that particular warehouse, they have robots. So unloading trucks, loading trucks and stuff like that is actually robots. Now you also have conveyor belts and stuff like that, like installing in certain stores and certain warehouses. So that's basically when Symbotic comes in. They provide that technology, for Walmart, so then they can actually automate a lot of the tasks that they have to, like in this case, unloading and loading trucks. But they also have other partnerships with other corporations. So in my opinion, I mean, I'm looking at a couple companies that have potential for the whole robotic industry development. Symbotic is mostly industrial, commercialized, but mostly partnerships with companies that use their technology. Now you also have another stock. Let me go down here a little bit because I forgot the name of that particular stock, but it is, let me see if I by any chance I have it. Here it is. Surf Robotics. Now Surf Robotics is a little bit different. They are more in the last link of the chain, if you want to call it that way, and they're mostly in the food delivery sector. Hence, one of the biggest partnerships that they have is actually with Uber, like Uber Eats. But that's another video that I could make at another time and talk a little bit more about them. But they are within the same field of automation and robotics. Now let me read a little bit more about Symbotic. It's an automation technology company which engages in a robotics and automation-based product movement technology platform. It focuses on developing, commercializing, and deploying innovative I can't say it right, end-to-end technology solutions for supply chain operations. So like I mentioned before, this is where Walmart comes in and why they have a partnership with them. It operates through the United States and Canada geographical segments. The company was founded in 2020, so it's a fairly new company, and headquarters are in Wilmington, Massachusetts. So it is actually a fairly new company, but they are already in a good position because they dominate the whole robotics sector of automation in the industrial space. If we let's take a look. Right now it's sitting at $58.56. For the year, they're up 142%. I mean, that's just insane, the amount of growth they have had already. And then if we look at the life of the stock since 2020, they're up 486%. So obviously it has had a massive run up, but still it's gonna, in my opinion, it's gonna continue to grow. And again, this is not financial advice, just for entertainment purposes only. Do your own research when investing. But I wanted to bring this to you guys' attention. But look into Symbotic. Like I said, in my opinion, it is poised to be the dominant player in that sector. It is sitting at, again, 58. 52-week high is $87, almost $88. So it is a good potential to run up. Don't get me wrong, it could be very volatile. As you guys can see, 52-week low is $16. Kind of mixed results in the analyst ratings. 38% of the analysts are saying buy, 48% saying hold, 14% saying sell. Now, biggest buyers you guys are seeing, retail investors like ourselves, Robinhood increasing volume, hedge funds increasing volume, which is a good sign. Insiders pretty flat, but consistent buying basically, but no major sell-offs, as you guys see in the red candle here in between, pretty much in June, for whatever reason that they actually sold a lot of shares. But with the whole robotics and a lot of the technologies, one thing you guys got to keep in mind is that it is going to continue to struggle. It is early. It is early that on a lot of industries, and robotics is not an exception of it. So they may struggle for a little bit, but they're slowly getting partnerships and making more money, bringing in more revenue. So again, I wanted to point you guys in the right direction and bring this to your attention so you can do your own research and see if this is an investment that you guys may want to get into. But other than that, appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe. Any questions, any concerns, anything you want to talk about, respectfully, put them in the comment section below. Thank you guys.